Now that you have the wall of your glog all set, you're going to have to add a heading and maybe some text. So that's what we're going to talk about now. As you see, the tools that were up here disappeared. In order to get those back, you just click on Tools and you get that same menu. And we're going to click on Text because that's what we're going to add next. Again, there's a menu of all different kinds of text. So if I click on that, I could search through. I like this as an example. It looks like a little bubble in water, so I'm going to click Use that. But I need something better for my heading. I'm just going to keep looking through. Oh, I like that as my heading. So I'm going to click Use it. Now I have two objects that I can add text to. So I can just move them around. And I actually want this a little bigger, so I could just make it bigger. As you can see, when you click on the object, you get a lot of menus. And let's go through some of these. This sets the text color and the font. So you could change your font. You could make it in the center. You could make it a little bit bigger. Oh, that's a bit big. You could set the color. And you could type inside. Just click right here. When you're ready, just X out. And then you have a nice title for your glog. You could change the background of the inside of that text box. You can make a hyperlink. You can set the order of objects. So if I move this one up, this object is actually behind the dolphin sign. If I want the dolphin sign to go behind that, I could click Go Behind, and this object comes in front of it. Let's move it away. This icon right here just makes a copy of what you've already done. So I do that, I see I have two. And that's a good tool to have because sometimes you spend a lot of time creating the settings and you want to just duplicate that without having to do the work all over again. This button here has some interesting effects. You can make your object transparent or you can create a shadow. I'm not going to do that today. So I'm going to just get rid of this one. And let's say you want to add some information about what your dolphin eats. You can just click on the text. And you can type up your information here. You can also, if you've typed it up in Word, just copy and paste it right into. So if you right click, you can just paste the information from a Word document also. So that's how to do text and headings. So why don't you go ahead and do that, and then we'll talk about pictures.